The KOSPI has surged past the 6,700 mark and is now approaching 7,000. Much of the rally is being driven by the rapid growth of exchange-traded funds, now worth around 400 trillion won. Funds are pouring into ETFs as a relatively stable investment option, but there are also warnings that ETFs themselves could amplify sharp swings in the market.
This woman in her 30s terminated her savings account of 30 million won, or more than $20,000 early this year, and invested in an ETF.
요즘에 주식시장이 많이 호황이라고 하고 너도 나도 돈을 번다고 하고 아무래도 지수라는 거는 계속 오른다는 평이 많아서 안전성에 기대를 걸고 투자를 하게 되었습니다.
Exchange-traded funds diversify risks by combining various stocks like a basket of many different fruits. In Korea, ETF net assets stood at 300 trillion won, or over $203 billion in January, but in just 3 months, they have surged by another 100 trillion won. Nearly half of the daily stock market trading value now comes from ETF funds. Semiconductor stocks rule the scene when it comes to ETFs. Over the past year, 1 out of every 3 new ETFs included both Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix. About 20% of all ETFs include at least one of these two companies. But when their share prices fluctuate, things can get tricky. ETFs that operate based on preset rules automatically order selling. This can accelerate the price plunge of those stocks and increase downward pressure on the overall index.
업황이 좀 안 좋아진다거나 그랬을 때 매도세 같은 것들이 가속화돼서 급변동을 좀 만들어낼 수 있는 리스크들도 같이 커질 수 있지 않을까.
Following deregulation by the government, ETFs containing just a single stock will be introduced to the market next month, which will likely further intensify investor preference for Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix stocks.